Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is August the 25th, last week of August, baby. So anyway, we are out here in Sugar Hill, Georgia. This is definitely a growing community. Sugar Hill is like one of those little towns, like a little sprinkle of a town they just decided to put around other towns. So it's kind of like Beaufort, Swanee, Lawrenceville. So really like 20 minutes from the shop. So anyway, let's get straight to it. So this is a new floor. They reached out to me about 2 weeks ago, brand new floor, luxury vinyl plank floor. Someone put wax all over the floor. They reached out to me. I came out, gave them a consultation. I kind of had like a little word with the main contractors. He was like, man, don't you think that price is a little too high? And you know, when people say that, you know, it's kind of like, well, I mean, you know, you can find someone else, but I think there's a reason why you chose me. So anyway, they signed the proposal to have the luxury vinyl plank floors done today to remove the wax, so they didn't have to replace them, because the price I'm charging them is about $3 grand. Guys, it would have cost them $8 grand. So I basically saved him about $5,000, right? And he told me that. So anyway, and then after this, we got to go do a countertop for a client, wood floors we did last week. He was so happy that he had us hire us today to do the countertops. I just booked the job for Thursday. My Thursday, it was the only day I had open. Lady said she has a brand new floor, also just needs to clean and buffing. Find me on Google. She just sent me the information, signed the proposal. So anyway, T is back off of vacation. Also Aaron, so that's why I had them come out this morning in the big van while I came out in the small van. I was doing some admin work at the office. So anyway, guys, let's get straight to it, show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so today is Monday. It is a busy, hey, these are new townhomes. Yeah, these things are going for like $1 million. $1 million. So let's go see what we got going. What's up, fellas? Hey, y'all doing? Oh, I think the elevator works. All righty. Oh yeah. What's up, fellas? Oh yeah, you can feel it coming up. Oh yeah, yep. So guys, they had wax. There go Aaron. Hey. Oh yeah. So guys, they put wax all over these floors. So Tavares is back. Hey T, I ain't gonna lie, sometimes you be able to pull that out of that big old. And then the elevator not working. Exactly, yep. Oh, so it's not working, still not working? When I came and did the proposal, I said, is the elevator working? He said, no, not yet. So y'all already did all sales? Yeah. Nice, okay. All right, guys, so that's what my guys are doing. So easy breezy, look at it, but this is a nice, man. These things are nice. I don't know about $1 million, but to eat, oh man, see, that's another thing too, guys. That wax is very, very slippery. So Aaron's just doing like a post clean right behind T. Let me show you what we did. And we'll probably go ahead and hit the stairs, because they even got it on the stairs, man. Oh my goodness. So this is 4 floors. So they've already done up here. Oh yeah, you can see it drying already. Okay. So this is floor number 3. And then this is the 4th floor. Okay, I still see a little bit right here. I can get that good. All right, that looks better. All righty. All right, guys. My other phone is ringing. Let me get my client down for Thursday. All right, guys. My guys are doing great. So the elevator does work now. Let me call it down. So it's coming down. Now, this is the type of elevator that it actually closes by itself. So T them is going to go around and do some spot cleaning, make sure all the wax is up. All right, so you hear that little click. All right, guys, so this door closes automatically. Okay, yeah. Whew, thought I broke it. So it closes automatically, so I'm going to go to the 4th floor. But yeah, man, the homeowner was just telling me, that he, they were trying to make so many excuses of this floor. And he actually told me, he said, Courtney, it would actually cost more than the price he gave you for a new floor. Because he said they would have had to pull off all the quarter rounds and they would have had to repaint the quarter rounds and the baseboards. So it'd probably be about 10 grand. So come on, guys. We're charging them 3. And like he said, the timing. That's the #1 reason people love this service is the convenience. Sometimes it's not about the money, it's the convenience. Because I've had clients say, Courtney, we've got quotes to do a full finish that wasn't that much more than your price, but we don't want to go through that time that it takes to fully sand the floor. So we'll rather do your process. So a lot of time, guys, it's not about the money, it's about the convenience. And that's one of the things that people pay us for. Yeah, okay, so this is automatic. Alrighty. So Aaron, yep, you see what I'm saying? Yep. So Aaron's up here. I forgot. Oh, it's automatic. It's automatic. I'm so used to closing them. So what I did a little test area and it came up, but I sprayed this. So like you see, like right up in, you see like little shiny spots, like right up here. So I want to make sure all this. This is citrus. This is yeah. And that will get it right up. See, like right here, see where the elevator coming in? Yeah, I did, yeah. But that's a little wax though. That's probably on the elevator. So I just want to go around.
Oh yeah, I see what it is.
Yeah, see what I'm saying? Yeah, all up in there. Yep. 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 All up in here. See that? Yep. All right, guys. So we got my guys are just going around doing some spot cleaning, and then I'm going to go do a consultation. And I'll come back, do a walkthrough with my shoes off. Because a lot of times too, when you get that wax, it gets on the bottom of your shoes and you'll track it back. So anytime we're doing this, after we do the post clean, always want to do a walkthrough with your shoes off. So the client, the homeowner is actually happy that we're doing this because it did not, like he said too, it did not have to prolong their move. So Aaron just going around hitting some spots. That just gotta get some more of that polish off. But overall, guys, floors look so much better, so much better. So all right, and we're gonna also do the stairs because walking into that wax, it basically gets on the stairs. All right, guys, I'm gonna go do a consultation, let them finish. They should be done in maybe another couple hours at the most. But yeah, you can see all that stuff came up. All these floors, and matter of fact, get the AC going because it's kind of warm in here. That also will help with the dry. Yeah, got on 75. That's pretty warm. All right, guys, I'm gonna go do a consultation. Come back, do a walkthrough, make sure everyone's happy. Stay tuned.